In this video, we will see word problem based on linear equations in two variables. Let us read the given word problem. In a factory, the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. Total salary of one day of both of them is rupees 720. Find daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. So a word problem is given to us. Let us begin with solution. In word problem, we are asked to find daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. So let us consider the per day salary of skilled workers be rupees X and per day salary of unskilled workers be rupees Y. So as we are asked to find daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers, so what we are asked to find that we have considered as X and Y. Per day salary of skilled workers is considered as X and per day salary of unskilled workers is considered as Y. Now let us see the first condition given in the question. As already explained in previous video, word problem is to be read very properly. Conditions of equations are hidden in the word problem. So let us see the word problem again. So in a factory, the ratio of salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 5:3. This is first condition, that ratio is 5:3. Ratio, so numerator salary of skilled worker upon salary of unskilled worker. So ratio of skilled and unskilled worker is given to us in question 5:3. So we write here 5/3. Let us take cross multiplication. 3x gives us 5y. So this can be written as, therefore 3x minus 5y is 0. This is equation 1. Equations are not directly given to us. Equations are hidden in word problem. So we have to read word problem very carefully. So this is the first condition which we have got from the problem. Now according to second condition. Second condition gives us the second equation. So according to second condition, so let us read the problem further. Total salary of one day of both of them is 720. Total, that is addition of skilled and unskilled workers is 720. Addition of salary of skilled and unskilled workers is 720. So we considered skilled workers as X, unskilled workers as Y. So therefore x plus y is 720. This is equation number 2. So half of our work is completed. We have successfully found two equations hidden in the word problem. Next we have to solve these two equations. For this we write both the equations one below the other. Our first equation is 3x minus 5y is 0. And our second equation is x plus y equal to 720. First step in solving simultaneous equation is we have to make coefficients of either of variables same. So here coefficient of x is 3. In second equation coefficient of x is 1. In first equation coefficient of y is 5 and coefficient of y in second equation is 1. So what we do is we multiply equation 2 with 5. When you multiply, always be careful that you have to multiply each term with the number. So 5 into x gives us 5x plus 5 into y gives us 5y and 5 into 720 gives us 3600. So this is equation 3. Equation 1 is unchanged. Let us write it below equation 3. Now is the second step. In second step, we analyze the signs of the variable whose coefficients are same. Coefficient of variable y are same and variables have opposite sign. We are knowing this, when variables have opposite sign, we perform addition. So let us do addition of equation 3 and 1. 5 plus 3 gives you 8. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled. 3600 plus 0 is 3600. So therefore x is 3600 upon 8. So therefore x is 450. So one unknown variable we have got. The step to find second unknown variable is substituting the value in one of the equations. So substituting x equal to 450 in equation. So we have got three equations, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. We can put the value of x in any equation. I choose equation 2. So equation 2 is x plus y equal to 720. So we can write therefore 450 plus y is 720. 450 will be shifted to other side of equal to and its sign will change. Plus 450 will become minus 450. So therefore y is equal to 720 minus 450 is 270. So we have got values of both unknown numbers, that is x and y. X we have considered as per day salary of skilled workers and y we have considered as per day salary of unskilled workers. So and we are asked to find daily wages of skilled and unskilled workers. Therefore our final answer line we can write as daily wages of skilled workers equal to 450 rupees and of unskilled workers is equal to 270 rupees. And now when we add 450 plus 270 we get 720. That is, we have reached on correct answer.